Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today we are comparing two popular smartphone stabilizers, the hohem iSteady M6 and the one-axis Selfie Stick. We'll look at their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed choice. Let's dive in. The hohem iSteady M6 comes with a premium price tag of $229, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. In contrast, the one-axis Selfie Stick is much more affordable at just $79. Making it an attractive option for those on a budget. While the iSteady M6 offers more advanced technology, the Selfie Stick provides great value for casual users. The hohem iSteady M6 boasts an impressive 18-hour battery life, allowing for extended shooting sessions without interruptions. On the other hand, the one-axis Selfie Stick does not specify its battery life, which may limit its usability during longer events. If you plan to shoot for extended periods, the iSteady M6 is the clear winner in this category. The hohem iSteady M6 is packed with advanced features such as AI tracking and a magnetic fill light, making it ideal for professional video recording. In contrast, the one-axis Selfie Stick offers basic functionality with remote control and 360 degrees rotation, which is suitable for casual users. Depending on your needs, you may prefer the advanced capabilities of the iSteady M6 or the simplicity of the Selfie Stick. In conclusion, the hohem iSteady M6 is a powerful tool for serious videographers, while the one-axis Selfie Stick is perfect for those looking for an affordable and easy-to-use option. We hope this comparison helped you decide which gimbal is right for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more